For the home by XL North. Meet GrabDry Carpet Cleaner. Fast, easy, low moisture cleaning. No residue, no mess. GrabDry absorbs spills instantly. 3 easy steps. Sprinkle and agitate, wait to absorb, then vacuum away. Sprinkle GrabDry over the area. Agitate into the carpet with a soft bristle brush. Wait while it absorbs soil and odors from carpet fibers. Allow to dry, then vacuum thoroughly. Convenient resealable bag. Absorb, grab, dry. Professional grade results without water, soap, or residue. Safe for nylon, wool, and stain-resistant carpets. Clean, fresh, and ready for use within minutes. For stains, spills, and everything else life can bring, GrabDry Carpet Cleaner. Look out for our other For the Home products by XL North.